She's in front of me. There's a beer and soju. Kumain. Alam mo, dapat bigyan nyo ng opportunity yung other stores as well. Kasi ang bango ng Chopchi pag nadaanan nyo, guys. Kasi it's a market. So, grabe yung competition na nafe-feel nila sa isa't isa. We're about to end the whole Korea series. I will never get tired of thanking you for supporting me in this journey. Hindi ko na na-record everything because it's 7 years worth of catch-up. I just really want to be in the moment, you know what I mean? Ayan yung laundry ko sa taas. Hinihintay ko yung nagda-dryer. Ang tagal niya. Good morning, guys. Thank God it's Friday. We are heading to Gangjang Market kasi as promised, itatry natin yung handmade noodles na napanood natin sa Netflix. Kasi naman guys, sobrang daming nangyari. Sabi ko maaga ako aalis, as in gumising ako ng 7 AM kasi nga gusto kong mag-laundry muna. 8 AM pa pala pwede. So umakit ako ulit para 8 AM bababa ako, gagawin ko siya. Ngayon, pagbaba ko guys, may gumamit na. Sakto 8 ako bumaba. Sabi 8 AM, tapos pwede naman palang earlier. 8 AM ako nakasalang, tapos siyempre, 38 minutes. And then after nun, I have to do dryer for 40 minutes. So, ang dami nang nangyari guys. So, I feel like the line is already long, but this is my last chance to try it. So, pipila na tayo. I don't care anymore if it's going to be longer for you and for me and for the sake of my mental health. Gagawin ko siya kasi feeling ko paghihinayangan ko ng sobra-sobra kung hindi ko siya gagawin. Okay guys, so according to Naver, it's 28-minute walk from here. So siguro mga 11:20 na tayo dadating doon. Yeah, but it's okay. It's supposed to be worth it. Kapon hindi ko napansin na malayo siya just because marami akong stops. But now I'm going straight. So, let's see. I'm gonna let you know pagdating ko doon. So bakit nga ba ako naglalakad guys? Bakit ko pinapahirapan yung sarili ko? Kasi pagbalik ko sa Pilipinas, for sure sa desk lang ako for 14 hours working. And I'm gonna take advantage of this moment that I'm outside. In the Philippines, hindi ako masyadong lumalabas doon. Tsaka nilalagay ko sa end ng vlog ko kung ilang steps yung nagawa ko per day. Diba? Healthy ka na, competitive ka pa sa sarili mo para sa content din. It's all of these things together. Okay guys, based sa Naver map, naka 1/4 na tayo.
하고 싶었던 춤이 다 골라 어디든 갈 거야 수박은 바다 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 걸음걸이 음식은 그냥 주전부리 여유 있으면 더 충분히 행복해 미소가 지어져 오늘은 한편의 동화를 썼음해 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라
May Pinoy sa likod ko kanina, tapos narinig ko, kinakabagan na daw siya sa sobrang lamig. Tapos pinag-usapan nila ako, ba't daw ako nakaano lang, parang long sleeve. Parang na siyang polong long sleeves, guys. Sabi niya, ba't siya naka long sleeves lang?
달라질 거야 Maybe I don't know
Okay guys, so we are halfway there. Yes, malapit na tayo. Makakakain na tayo. Crossing the street.
풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라
Wow guys, may nadaanan pa ako. Shinjin Market. Wow, and I know market dito. Siguro ito talagang Dongdaemun area, Jongno. Very market area siya.
나와 단둘이 길을 걸어가 닿듯 말듯한 손끝 사이로
Okay guys, nandito na tayo but we need to wear our mask. Indoor yata siya. So I have here my mask. 19 minutes guys. That's less than expected. Pawis na ako. Para sa noodles guys. Para sa noodles. Let's go! Ayan guys, mas konti tao ngayon. So I'm feeling positive about this. Let's go! Dahil galing na ako dito kahapon, alam ko na kung saan ko siya mahanap. Let's go!
한숨 속에 섞인 감정들이 막
The line is so long, you guys.
갈피를 못 잡듯이 갈피를 못 잡듯이 또 지나가는 길 그 짧고 긴 시간 동안 주변 모습이 다 낮아 있어도 목적지는 산 같아 Maybe you can feel the pressure that I've been living on. I can say that it's been on my mind, but I'm moving along. 스쳐 지나가는 불빛 속에 흩어져가는 사람들 사이에 다가오는 표정들 뒤에
Hindi ako nag-noodles guys kasi mabubusog ako. Gusto ko pang kumain. Ang daming pagkain dito guys. Hindi lang yun. But, ang dami nangyayari. Okay, gusto ko kasi ng fried chicken. Ang daming fried chicken. Tatry ko siya. Let's go.
아리따게 저려오는
Kapag pasok mo dito sa market na to, i-assume mo na lahat masarap. I'm telling you, grabe yung competition na nafe-feel nila sa isa't isa. So I don't think, hindi nila gagalingan at hindi nila sasarapan yung mga pagkain nila. Tapos iba-iba sila ng marketing style para i-try mo yung food nila. Siyempre, angat sa atin ng Netflix kasi yun yung may exposure tayo. But there are a lot of stores with local shows yung nag-feature sa kanila. And I think that's something kasi local yung nag-validate, guys. So doon ako pumunta.
이렇게 나란히 누워서 잠든 네 얼굴 보면서
This is so flavorful. After nun, nakamit ako ng mga ng cute na family. They're really interesting people. They're really fun to talk to. Kaya hindi nila ako nakapag-vlog doon sa part ko saan ako kumain ng chapche kasi wala lang, naaliw akong kausap sila. They made me feel like I'm family when they talk to me and they're really warm people. I met you friends! Hey guys! Cool. Oh yeah, bro. Pinay. They're amazing. So a quick shout out to you guys. I know you're watching this because I'm gonna send it to you. Masarap talaga ng CK guys. Gusto ko lang mag-vlog habang naglalakad para kunyari professional vlogger tayo. This is so good. CK is the best. Hey! How are you? Hey, say hi! It's so
You are my sunlight, you are my moonlight, every way.
We're going to Yeongdongpo station because we're meeting our friend later, Gavin. And sabi ko, doon lang ako magkakape kasi I haven't been in that area. See you there.
뻔한 얘기지만 널 보면 그냥 좋아 매일 보고 싶어 함께 있는 순간들도 So hold me tight through the night
And I'm very excited to see this area. Let's look for a cafe. Yun nga pala yung sound kapag dumadating na yung train, you guys. Parang party lagi. So ayun, naka-explore natin tong place na to. Kasi wala pa kami specific place to meet ni Gavin. But my plan is to go here early just so I can explore the area. Kasi nga, like I said, I haven't been. Wow, this is a very big station, you guys. It looks great.
아름다운 그대여 I just feel so lucky 운명이라 믿어요
Guys, nandito tayo sa Get That Shot na cafe. Look how beautiful this is. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. Wow, different set. I'm gonna show you.
Hey stop 참 무책임해 왜 자꾸 들었다 놨다 해 헷갈리게 친절은 사양할게 오해하게 하지 말아요 날 yeah 들어봐 가뭄 같은 마음엔 뭐라도 단비가 돼요
카페는 오전 10시 30분부터 오후 8시까지 운영되며 금요일부터 일요일에는 오후 8시 30분에 문을 닫습니다. 커피 옵션으로는 아메리카노, 너티라떼, 레인보우 라떼 등이 있습니다. 커피가 아닌 선택지로는 레인보우 에이드, 차콜 라떼, 오션 후르치 에이드 등이 있습니다. 주소는 서울 영등포구 경일로 846이며 영업시간은 오전 10시부터 오후 8시까지이며 금요일부터 일요일까지는 오후 8시 30분까지 연장 운영됩니다.
It's 6:43 p.m. and I'm still waiting for my friend Gavin. Actually, nagstay ako dito for more than 6 hours kasi I have to edit all the episodes up to episode 4 and I managed to finish everything. I also did all the thumbnails, the captions, so everything's uploaded already and we're ready for posting sa December 1st. The plan for tonight is to really just hang out, catch up kasi the last time we saw each other was in 2015 as well kasi hindi na siya nagpakita sa akin during 2018 and 2019 visit kasi kahit nasa Seoul ako noon, he's very busy. He'll treat me a lot of soju. So ako naman, kahit naman ano ko, basta kasama ko yung mga friends ko, okay ako. So nag-promise din siya sa akin ng Korean barbecue, so that's exciting. I'm not really sure kung ano yung entire plan namin for tonight, but what's for sure is that we'll have a great time and that we'll catch up.
기도해요
Hello. I'm recording a video. You say hi, you say hi. Hi.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Look at what you're wearing. You look so professional. He's shy.
잔잔하기만 하던 온 나의 마음에 Quite suddenly 퐁당 또 퐁당 아니 퐁당 큰 돌을 던진 너 기다리고 기다리던 그 사람이 온 내 앞에 내 마음 어느새 일렁이는
I want to remember this.
병에라도 걸렸나봐요 아야 아파 아른아른거려 잠이 오질 않아 연락도 없는 밤 서럽기만 한나 눈 감아도 그대만 보여요 터질 것 같은 이맘 순간의 호기심은 아니에요 그대 아니면
One shot.
난 안 돼요
Okay. This is your favorite? Wow. Okay.
근데 두 눈 감아도 그대만 보여요 터질 것 같은 심은 아니에요 그대 아니면 난 안 돼요
It's raining, raining, raining. Bye-bye, bro. Pauwi na ako from this station going to Dongdaemun and naghiwalay na kami ni Gavin. Sobrang bait niya, like hinatid pa niya ako dito sa mismong station. Pumasok pa siya. Bababa ko lang to. Hiningal ako. Ang dami namin nainom na soju, maybe about 4. Hindi ko na na-record everything because it's 7 years worth of catch-up. I just really want to be in the moment, you know what I mean? Ayun, it was just a very quick 4-hour hangout. So the train is there.
열차가 들어오고 있습니다. The train bound for Guangdong University is now approaching.
Yeah, I'll see you later when I'm back and then we'll close this vlog.
담담하게 넌 무뚝뚝한 말투로
So andito na ako sa station and this is my home station. So just really want to share my quick realization on my way back here. We didn't really speak fluent English, right? But we still managed to communicate to each other. It was a crazy experience meeting up with someone from, I don't know, from 7 years ago, 2015. Walang awkwardness, walang feeling na parang ang tagal na natin hindi nagkausap. Parang ano lang kami, parang nag-resume lang yung life namin. And I don't know, I just feel really happy. So yeah, just really want to document that Gavin is one of my coolest friends. He never forgets my birthday. He always greeted me and I appreciate that so much. I'm gonna ride the escalator now. And we'll do a crazy shot for you guys before we close this vlog.
빠듯한 현실의 무게가 버겁고 낯설어 마지막 나의 배려
And guys, I think we're gonna end the vlog here. I just wanna thank every one of you guys. Like every single day I'm thanking you. Because I will never get tired of thanking you for supporting me in this journey. We still have a few episodes coming your way and I'll see you to tomorrow's video. Bye bye!
이별도 사랑의 책임이니까